Now, as we have started getting to know details about HTML, let's see how and what you will need to get started with HTML. The very first thing which we need is the softwares. So we have different kinds of softwares which you can use to work with HTML code. Now in those softwares, we have to write the code and we have to run the code in our browsers so that we can see our web page. The very first software is Notepad. Let's check it out. What is Notepad? So if you go to your start button and you type here Notepad, you can see that this is the inbuilt application which is already there in your Windows, and you can open that. You can start writing the code here, and you can save this and you can run it in your browsers. This is the very first software which you can use. The second is Notepad++, and to use this we have to open our Chrome and we have to download this Notepad++. So just write Notepad++ download, and the very first link you have to open. In the very first link, the latest release is 7.8.8. Go there, scroll down, and you can see 64-bit installer. If your window is having 32-bit, please install this one. And if your Windows is having 64-bit, please click here, and the Notepad++ installer will start downloading. When it will finish downloading, you can click here and start installing your Notepad++. So as you can see, I have clicked here and it will ask for a language, and then click on next, click on I agree, click on next, and start creating shortcut on desktop. Create a tick there and click on install. As soon as it will finish, your Notepad++ will open directly. Wait for a few minutes and you can see your Notepad++ is open. Now here also you can write your code, HTML code, and you can start running your code in the browsers. This was your second software. The third software is Sublime Text Editor, which now we will see how to download and install. But first I'll tell you that you don't require all these three things. You only require one of them, and through our session we will be using Sublime Text Editor to run our HTML codes. For downloading Sublime, you have to go to Chrome and you need to search Sublime download. The very first link is download Sublime Text. Click there and you can start downloading from here. You can see Windows 64-bit. Click this and you can see that .exe file is getting downloaded here. Now when it will get completed, you have to just click on this one and start installing it. So now download is complete. We'll click here and we'll start installing Sublime. We'll click on next, we'll click on next and install. We'll click on finish. Go to start and search for Sublime Text Editor. You can see Sublime Text 3 is there. You can double click this and you can open your Sublime Text Editor. Now this is where you can write the code and it is colorful to distinguish between the codes and the predefined codes. So this is the thing, this is the software which we will use in our whole out of the sessions, and we will see how to run our HTML code. Thank you.